Hi and welcome back to Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. The first thing that I want to tell you that yes, this series is not finished. We have to go for a couple of steps more. But really the very important thing is backdooring. We have discussed in last videos that how you can make a backdoor. But there is another very good important thing in the Metasploit and particularly in Metasploiter that you can start with. Now with this script, the backdooring is really so much easy because you are leaving some shells directly into the victim's computer and prompting that shell. You are first of all leaving them as a persistent basis. So when these shells are left on those computers, these shell tries again and again back to get a connection from the attacker's machine. Now this is really important. You are actually not trying to get into the machine is trying actually to get into your system. So anyways, who gets into the hacker will get hacked. So again, I have used my script and got hacked into the machine, and you can say we have got our Metasploiter session on a whole. So what I can do here is I can quickly run that script. I can run that script. That script is actually persistent. So persistence, and again I don't know what are the different options being available for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a -h option. So let's hit the -h option and check out what are the different help options being available for us for this persistent. To be honest, really I'm quite enjoying this series. It's very depth. So we have got a lots of options. So let me get your focus on a couple of them. First is -u, which sends automatically start the agent when the user log on. Now this is really important because the important issue behind the backdooring is when the computer get turned off and get turned on again, that really creates a problem. We lose our shell onto the computer. Also there is an -i option. The regular intervals between the each connection attempt is being made. Also the port is very important. You need to specify a port because server client connection always runs on the port. And this -r is also important, although every option is important, but these are quite relevant which we are going to run them. So what I'll do, I'll give them the option. First of all, -u means automatically start the agent. Then I'll give -i. I'll give after every 3 seconds. I cannot wait that more. So after every 3 seconds gets a connection for me. And also you can put a port number. I know that port number 443 is quite vulnerable with XP machine. You can put any other vulnerable or any other port as well. Also at the last -r option is also needed. Now in this -r option, remember one thing. You are trying to get back a connection onto the hackers or attackers machine. So make sure you always give your IP address here. That is the attacker's IP. So 192.168.52.159 is my IP. So this is a simple command that we have created, and you can simply run that and make sure that persistent all the scripts and files and DLLs whichever the Metasploiter is going to create are being uploaded successfully into the victim's computer. So it's loading all the things and creating all the registry editings as well for us. So everything is now set. Now a small task for you as well. I hope I've been describing quite a lot of almost everything on my computer. Now it's time to use your computer as well. So make sure you hit a turn off command into your computer, that is XP machine, and again run it back, and also try that you get an multi-handler being opened up on your attacker machine, and try out if this works or not. And definitely it is going to work. And if it is not working, simply try out some other ways or just drop me an email. That's all for this video, and thank you so much for watching.